5 oranges, a fag of ginger, and 1 green lime. So I'm about to make the juice, and then I'll make a smoothie out of this juice. During the week or for the entire month, I will be taking this. So in total I got 400 milliliter of juice. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge to chill. So I'm about to make my smoothie for the morning. What I have is frozen bananas. I have 2 bananas that's chopped up in here, and I have 9 pieces. So with the 9 pieces, it's gonna give me 3 glasses because I'll use three pieces of banana for each glass. So 1, 2, 3. These are frozen bananas. I have my juice that I made. This is orange, lime, and ginger juice, and I'm going to use a half a cup. It's pretty easy to make, so it's not a big deal. I have pure vanilla extract, and I'm going to use half a teaspoon. Angostura bitters. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon. It's a little bit tough to get it out of here. Just don't want to go over the amount. And I'm going to use half a cup of plant-based milk. You can use any of the almond milk or cashew milk, coconut milk. I like it with my oat beverage. Coconut milk makes it taste good too, but sometimes I find with the coconut milk it's very rich. I'm going to use half a cup. What I'm going to do is blend this all together to make my morning smoothie. Give it a little shake and then blend it. Have it. Morning smoothie. Call this my booster. Delicious. Oh, I love this juice. Yes,